All right, in today's example, we're going to be dilating with a scale factor of 3/2, which is much more difficult because you can't do it mentally. And today's video is brought to you by period D. All right, with that being said, the first thing I need to look at is for when I'm multiplying 3/2 times all these numbers, a shortcut is to look for the number that repeats the most. Does anyone know which number repeats the most?
2.
Say it again.
2.
All right, throw it back. So, this is not coming out good.
Can we just restart?
No. Okay. All right. So, anyways, let's do that. So, basically, everyone copy this down. On the side here, I'm gonna go 3/2 times 2 over 1. And 3/2 times 2 over 1 comes out to 6 over 2, which is 3. So basically, when I look at all my 2's here, here, and here, wherever I see a 2 or a -2, I'm going to put 3 or -3. So let's copy this down. A prime, B prime, this is my new, C prime, D prime. So again, every place there's a 2 or a -2, I'm going to put a 3 or a -3. So that's going to be -3, -3, -3, and then this is going to be -3. No, that's going to be +3, and then +3. I'll throw you the cue ball if you can tell me, this scale factor, is this shape going to get bigger or smaller? Bigger or smaller? You have a half chance of getting it right. 3/2.
Bigger?
It's going to get bigger. So I know that my figure, when I draw it, will be out here. So the next number that I'll multiply by, scale factor, well, I already know that this 0 times anything is 0, so I'll fill that in. And then 3/2 times 1 is just 3/2. Does anyone know how to write 3/2 as a fraction, or I mean as a decimal? So how would you write 3/2 as a decimal, Keegan?
1.5.
So we're going to write 1.5. And then the last number I need to multiply by is this 3. So I'll do that over here to the side. So that's going to be -3 over 1 times 3/2. This is going to be -9 over 2. And what is that as a decimal? Negative, Kaylee? -4.5. Okay, so now I'm just going to graph all of this, and it should work out. So I will start here with D prime. So I'll go -3 and down 1, 2, 3. I'll label that D prime. Then I have 0 left to right and down 3, 1, 2, 3, C prime. Now we got some fractions to deal with, so I'm going to go 1.5 and then up 3, B prime. And then the last one is to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4 and a half. And then up 3, 1, 2, 3. Something seems a little off about that. I don't know. So then we'll call that A prime. Connect the dots. Looks like that. And that's a dilation with the scale factor of 3/2.
Woo!